Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And my tip of the day is how to make your folding white cane last longer. Stay tuned. So this tip I'm going to share with you right now is something I tell all my clients who use folding canes because it's a good way of helping their cane last a little longer. So the tip is that with folding canes, when they're folded, they have tension on the cord that runs through the cane. So there's a little extra tension and friction at each joint where the cord is folded over the joint. So what I'd like to show people is that if you're going to be at home and you're just there for the night or whatever, if it's not just a short amount of time, one good way to help your cane last a little longer is to unfold your cane. So I'm going to do that now with mine. Is unfold the cane, and after you unfold the cane, you want to store it unfolded. So there's different ways of doing that. You could hang it on a hook like I have over here. You can also put it in the corner of a room, but that way there's less tension on the cord, and hopefully your cane will last you a little longer. So hopefully this tip was helpful for you, just to preserve your cane a little bit longer than it might normally if you have it folded all the time. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Thank you so much.